Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about FTI FoodTech International. And if you are looking at this long-term chart, so which you can see on your screen right now, so it's probably one of the rough charts I have seen in my experiences, and specifically when you have a long-term trend like this, because the stock has been available since 1980-81, so the trend is as long as 39 years old. Now you can see these kind of trends because you will find lots of circuits. So if there is an up circuit or down circuit, it means if not circuit, then it means there are either not buyers or not sellers. So the stock are making moves which is pretty random, and if you caught in the wrong end of the range, then you'll probably would have lost lots of money or will lose lots of money in a trend like this. So firstly, this kind of trend are not good for any person who want to invest in any kind of stocks whose trend are like this, long-term trend are like this. Okay, now exception is if you know about the fundamentals and if you know the company is good, that's a different thing. But normally, if you have this kind of trends which are disturbed, then you better back off from this kind of trends and ranges. Now here what you can do in this case is stick to the trend, because the chart is very flat in the nature, and here you have your chart. It's completely flat as you can see on your screen. So if the stock been consolidating for 39 or 40 odd years, then there is no way to think that it could go beyond the range and something exceptional will happen. Okay, so let the price decide what is needed and what levels it actually wants to reach. Now before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the upcoming videos notified. So here what you can find as your first level of support at 0.18, then you have your next support at 0.03. Okay, so these are the support level which you need to look at. On the upside you have 0.69. now 0.69 is very important, because if the stock moves beyond 0.69, then what you could find here is 2.2 and probably 2.5, and on the higher side you have 6.3. now understand that all these levels are conditional and dependent upon one another, because there is condition that looking at this trend, that from the last, I think probably 30 odd years, the stock is unable to move beyond 0.69, or it has tried to reach 0.86. okay, so this level. So after 0.9 you should look at this as well, 0.82. so from past 30 years it haven't happened. So this case, these two levels will become your big sub resistance, and if it unable to cross this level, then it will definitely falls back down. Now if it able to cross successfully 0.8 to 83, which hasn't happened in the past 30 years, then probably you are looking for 2.2 and 2.59 or 6 on the upper side, and if it crosses this level as well, then you are looking at 6.3, 6.4. so these are the things which you need to look and understand at and act accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.